Why does one use max_length of CharField equal to 2 to the power of n whilst others use 2 to the power of n-1? For example, django.contrib.gis.db.backends.postkeys.models, Django 1.3. And django_openit_auth.models, Jono openit auth 0.3. Although it is not scientific measure, 2048 seems to be more popular than 2047, but 255 is more popular than 256. Django documentation says that in MySQL max_length is restricted to 255 characters if you are using unique equals true. But why would I use 2 to the power of n-1 instead of 2 to the power of n in other cases?
You've mostly got it. It's not just the unique equals true argument for 255, it's also that strings up to 255 long can sometimes be stored more efficiently. So the answer is that there is maybe a point to doing it for 255 versus 256, but for other lengths it's very likely to be pointless. Picking power of 2 lengths to begin with is often not done for a scientific reason. Most of us haven't actually benchmarked that our 512 long field made our application run measurably faster than a 513 long field. That said, there may be application-specific cases where the Django application is a front-end to a C application, where having n²-1 strings is useful further down the line to efficiently store the additional terminating \0 byte.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.